How to withdraw money on Xtrend speed. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to withdraw money from the Xtrend speed app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open the Xtrend speed app. Tap on Me. Tap on Withdraw. Here it says, according to regulatory requirements of AML procedure, you are required to deposit before withdraw. That means first you have to deposit money to withdraw. So tap on Deposit Now. Write here how much you want to deposit. For my country, the minimum is 400 and the maximum is 20,000. Then select the mode of payment. Then tap on Deposit. After depositing the money, go back, tap on Withdraw, tap on Later, enter the amount you want to withdraw here, tap here to add bank account details, then tap on Submit. If you are not able to withdraw the money, you can tap here to talk with the customer care executive. They will help you to solve your problems. It might take 3 to 5 days to receive the money in your bank account. So this is how to withdraw money from the Xtrend speed app.